Hi, I'm Alex from Insync. Well, I'm from all over really. I was born and raised in Germany. Moved to West Yorkshire when I was 15. Lived there until I was 21, and then moved down south to Salisbury. Spent a few years there, then back up to Bradford. Bounced around a bit, and then moved to Australia about 3 years ago with my wife, Ebony, who's Australian. So I did IT straight out of college, and then a brief foray into the British Armed Forces for 4 years, and then went straight back into IT when I left as well. So I've been doing IT pretty much all the way through apart from the army. Bit of everything really, primarily Office 365, Exchange Online, Azure AD, Azure Infrastructure as a Service as well. Bit of SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, data governance with the Security Compliance Center. I just started going into the EMS side of things as well. Windows 10 and EMS, I enjoy that. I like the whole Azure AD join, this sort of serverless organization where you just do the Azure AD join, get Windows Defender Advanced Protection down onto the Windows 10 PCs, push down GPOs, get Intune involved, and then yeah, all that sort of stuff. The number one sort of organisation issue I see is usually education. That's because it's just expensive. You can't educate all your users at once about the new features as they come out. Outlook 2016's got groups in them. What's a group? How to use it properly, and then for the ICT, how to administrate it properly, all that sort of stuff. And there's no one specific answer. It's just an ongoing education that you would need to do for users and ICT, just because new stuff comes out all the time. Just last week alone, there was 19 announcements in the message center in Office 365. So that's 19 new things potentially that could affect a corporation or organisation that's on 365. I think a lot of people are just reactionary. Something changes and they're like, oh, something's changed, or there's something new. Whereas I think what we've got is we've got a very traditional structure of monolithic changes in corporations and organisations where every 5 years they redo it all. Every 5 years, redo it all. Whereas now it's very much a sort of small incremental changes ongoing, so multiple times a year new features will come out, new education needs to be done. And I think it's just taken a lot of time for organisations, corporations, and various entities that have been used to that monolithic structure to change. It's just, usually that's the way we've always done it. It's just people generally, unless you're a strange individual, I mean, we work in an ISV, so we do like change, but most places don't like change. Like Linda that does the books doesn't like change. She's been doing the same job for 10 years. She does it the way she does it. People don't like change, especially Linda. Sorry, Linda. Bananas. Spock. Microsoft now. It used to be Apple, now it's Microsoft. They've switched places. Cat. I like cats, I've got two. I have a Maine Coon. PlayStation because of Final Fantasy. Although, if you go all the way back, Nintendo because of Final Fantasy. Ooh.